Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, certified pre-owned, and a good deal. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.